The simplified loader template allows entering default values for any field in the template. The default values are entered in row number 2 of the data sheet. After specifying the default value, the user only needs to enter the value in each row when they want to specify an overriding value. In this demo, in column H, header invoice currency, I entered USD as the default value. Notice that in row number 7, I override the invoice currency to euro. Similarly, for column J, header business unit, the default value is US1 business unit. For column K, header legal entity, the default value is US1 legal entity. I have not entered an overriding value header business unit and header legal entity. I will upload this data to Oracle Fusion. Notice that the value for header invoice currency, header business unit, and header legal entity have defaulted from row number 2.